Welcome to English Simple Learn.
My name is Emily. I come from Spain and I have been living in the United Kingdom for 3 years. I am 16 years old and I have 2 siblings. My sister is named Sophie and she is 14 years old. And my brother, Daniel, is 19 years old. We live with our parents in a house near London. It is a quiet place with many trees and a small garden. Our house is not very big, but it is comfortable and warm. My mother is a chef and she works in a restaurant in the city centre. She cooks very well and I love her food. She often makes pasta, soup, and delicious desserts. My father works at a financial company. He goes to work early in the morning and comes back home in the evening. He is very kind and always helps us with our homework when we need it. In our house, everyone has their own room. My room is small but nice. I have a bed, a desk, a chair, and a bookshelf. I like to decorate my room with photos, drawings, and small plants. I also have a window and I can see the garden from there. In the morning, I can hear the birds singing. I enjoy reading very much. I usually read in the evening before I go to sleep. I like stories about adventure and friendship. Sometimes I also read simple books in English to practice the language. I want to improve my English because I live in the UK now. I love animals. We have a dog, 2 cats, and a small pond in the garden with goldfish. Our dog's name is Max. He is friendly and likes to play. He runs in the garden and always follows us around the house. The cats are called Luna and Oliver. Luna is very calm, but Oliver is playful and curious. The goldfish are small and orange, and they swim slowly in the water. I like to watch them because it is relaxing. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth, get dressed, and go to the kitchen for breakfast. I usually eat bread with butter or jam and drink milk or tea. My sister Sophie often sits with me and we talk about school. Daniel sometimes joins us, but he often wakes up late. After breakfast, we go to school. Sophie and I go to the same school, but Daniel studies at a university in the city. At school, I have many classes. My favourite subject is mathematics because I like numbers and solving problems. I also enjoy English class because it helps me communicate with people here. I don't like physics and chemistry very much because they are difficult for me. I have some good friends at school. Their names are Lucy, Emma, and Chloe. They are very kind and funny. We sit together in class and help each other with homework. During the break, we talk, laugh, and sometimes play games. After school, I often go for a walk in the park with my friends. The park is beautiful, with green grass, tall trees, and a small lake. Sometimes we sit on a bench and talk. Sometimes we buy ice cream and enjoy it together. On sunny days, the park is full of people and the atmosphere is very nice. When I come home, I usually do my homework. Then I help my mother in the kitchen. I like learning how to cook. She teaches me simple recipes and I enjoy it very much. Sometimes we cook dinner together for the whole family. In the evening, we have dinner together at the table. We talk about our day and share stories. After dinner, I sometimes watch TV or listen to music. My favourite music is pop, and I like to sing along. Sophie likes music too, and sometimes we listen together in our room. On Saturdays, I don't go to school. I wake up later and have a relaxed morning. Sometimes I help my parents clean the house. In the afternoon, I go out with my friends. We often go to the cinema to watch a movie or walk around the city centre. Sometimes we go shopping or sit in a cafe and talk. Daniel often goes out with his friends on Saturdays too. He likes sports and sometimes plays football. My father usually stays at home and reads the newspaper or watches TV. My mother sometimes works, but when she is at home, we spend time together. On Sundays, I sleep longer because I don't have to wake up early. It is my favourite day of the week. After I wake up, I have breakfast with my family. Then I cook lunch with my mother. We prepare simple but tasty food. I like these moments because we talk and laugh together. After lunch, we usually go outside. We take the dog for a walk by the lake near our house. The lake is calm and beautiful. We see ducks and sometimes other animals. The air is fresh and it is a perfect place to relax. In the afternoon, I sometimes read a book or write in my notebook. I like writing about my day and my thoughts. It helps me practice English and express my feelings. Sometimes I also draw or listen to music. In the evening, we prepare for the next week. I organise my school bag and check my homework. Then I relax and spend some time with my family. Before going to bed, I often read a few pages of a book. I feel happy with my life here. I like my school, my friends, and my family. Living in a new country is sometimes difficult, but it is also exciting. I learn new things every day, and I enjoy discovering new places and cultures. Sunday is my favorite day because it is calm, happy, and full of family moments. It gives me energy for the new week.